At live po natin marami tayong inspirasyon makukuha at matututunan po sa isang celebrity hairstylist at podcast host, hairpreneur. Naku, alamin ko sino yung mga artistang inaayusan niya sa Mark with a K Salon. Please welcome Mark Anthony Rosales!
Hi everyone, good evening po.
Ayan, bati ka ng bonggang-bongga sa
Yes,
kanila.
magandang gabi po sa ating mga kapamilya and to all the viewers and listeners.
Yes! At katabi ko na siya. Excited
Yes.
ako. It's an honor. Ang laki ng studio natin, ha? Iba-ibang mga spot. Gulat na gulat pa yan.
Pa-teleport po kayo. No?
Of course! O, di ba? May mga ganyan naman. Pero nakakatuwa kasi, Mark, binasak ko yung background mo na ginawa ni Ate Paloma. Sobra akong humanga. Kasi
Salamat po.
ikaw pala yung nag-pioneer, yung unang-una na nag-introduce sa Pilipinas ng hair scanning. Ganon.
Yes po.
Ano ba yun?
Well, it all started po kasi nung parang I have a bold vision in 2017.
Oo.
Sabi ko, I want to put up a salon. And then, I also address po during that time na everyone can give po kasi the same services eh. Kahit anong salon pa yan, parang you can have the same, haircut, color, up until nails. But the difference lang po talaga is, of course, the impact to your client.
Yes. Oo, totoo naman yun. Tsaka, syempre, alam mo, kailangan yung papasok ka doon na malungkot ka, lalabas kang bonggam-bongga, 'di ba? Ganyan. Eh ano ba itong parang pa-computer mo na nandito sa harap?
That is our hair scanner. Well, I did not invent po talaga the scanner. I mean, that's the machine itself. So, it's one of the conference po that I attended that there's a scanner. Sabi ko, why in the Philippines kaya they're not giving much attention about it po? So, what I did, sabi ko, I will incorporate the scanner in our salon services. So, regardless po kung magpapakulay kayo, magpapagupit lang, kahit nga po nails lang, this is part of our SOP that before rendering the service, you have to know your hair status because ang nangyayari
May diagnosis,
Yes, meron po.
Kumbaga, para ka pumupunta sa doktor na salon na
Yeah.
hairstylist kasi parang alamin mo muna kung ano ba talaga ang diferensya. Hindi parang
Correct.
gusto ko magpakulay, gusto kong magkaroon, ipa-straight. Lahat na ng kaart yan, ginawa mo, kawawa si hair.
Saka at the same time po, kasi Filipinos love to color our hair, but we tend to forget yung hair care na tinatawag, hair and scalp care. Because our scalp po kasi is part of our skin, di ba? We tend to forget that. So, through hair scanner, meron po tayong different types of status ng scalp natin.
O, paano siya ginagamit? O, kunwari pupunta kami sa Mark with a K Salon.
I love it.
Ganun na. Paano yan? Hala, malalaman nila na nakakalbo na talaga ako.
So, all we have to do-
Can't laugh. May pa ganun, di ba? Oo,
Gusto ko
go.
make you.
Oo.
Ayan. Gagawin ko po na. So,
Sige,
all we
go.
have to do po is it
Ayan,
It's
ayan,
on
it's
naman.
on. Yung buko po kasi talaga ay mahaba. Pag nandito po ako sa studio, tinatali ko lang po para maayos.
nga,
Pero pag may
mahaba po
mga
siya.
show po kami abroad, tinataas-taas ko yan kung ano-anong ginagawa. O sige, go.
So what we have to do po, ayan, syempre may mga parts po kasi
Yes.
yung head natin, no?
Yes.
So we start with the crown, which
Okay.
is yung laging exposed, no?
Ayan.
So yan. That's
Naku,
the
sana
crown.
walang... Yes.
Ito po yung ating side nape na tinatawag.
Yes. Ay, ano lang po siya.
Ay, side
Wala
deep,
po,
side bird. Yeah.
wala kayong mararamdaman. Parang may, gumano, parang may
Ayan.
kiniklik lang
Ito
siyang
yung-
button. Button. Oh,
Side
scandal.
bird.
Yun.
And yung nape area is here. Ayan. So,
Ito sa may button.
why do we have to check po? Because our scalp is like our skin. So we have different, it can be combination,
Tama.
ganyan. So, through that, sa screen po, makikita nyo naman.
Ayan, nakita
There,
na natin.
um,
Direct, dito nga po.
Ayan, sige,
please.
let's
Oo.
check.
Oo. Parang northeast, southwest yung ginawa mo. O ayan, go.
Ayan, okay.
O ano
So,
nangyari na dyan?
Oh, it's not yet on, di ba?
Okay, so
Ganyan po
i-on
talaga.
natin.
Let's
Oo.
turn it on.
Turn it on, dun sa kanan. Nag-automatic siyang off. Ayan. So, itong scanning na to, gagawin yan pagdating muna dun sa salon.
Yes po.
Para hindi lang kung ano lang yung gusto. Yun. Ito yata baka natanggal sa saksakan.
So, para
hindi kinaya nung scanner
Saka
yung
at the
ulo
same
ko.
time po, since-
Candla. May ganun, di ba? May pag ganun. Oo.
Saka at the same time po kasi since we love to color,
Oo.
by the help of the scanner, we're able to identify kung ready na po kayo for bleaching.
Correct. Para hindi lang, kasi alam nyo po talaga, pag binibleach po kasi, totoo ba yun, nasisira ang buhok? Kasi
Actually,
pinapatay siya, ayan, naka-on na siya.
Ayan, that's not true naman po.
Okay.
Nagkaroon lang tayo ng bad perspective about
Oo.
about
Ayan,
it because of the DIY.
Oo.
But if you will do it sa hair expert
Professionally.
professionally, because our hair po kasi, we have different types, you know,
Oo.
hair, and we are very unique as a person,
Oo.
like our hair. So, naka-customize po yung formula dapat. Kaya that's why we have the scanner. So, ayan, let's have the scanner na.
sige. Ayan, naka-on na siya.
Okay, there you go.
Ayan, oo.
So, again,
Ayan,
let's-
pakita po natin direct.
check the crown
inaisan.
area.
Huy,
Ayan.
naligo ako ha. Can't laugh. Nag-shampoo conditioner pa ako. Naku, baka ano makita.
And the nape area.
Parang gusto ko nang mag-second thought. Paloma, kuya, abat ko na isip to. Marireveal ang hair ko.
Ayan. So, there
Ayan.
you go po.
Ayun.
So, if you notice, there are some spaces po, no? So, meaning that you experience yung usong-uso talaga to. 9 out of 10 Filipinos experiencing hair loss.
Oo.
So, the reason behind it, most of the Filipino po, we will fall under oily scalp.
Totoo.
Akala po natin, di ba, lagi tayong dry scalp because of the dandruff. Actually, the dandruff po na experience natin, yun yung mga natuyo na oil dun sa scalp natin.
Oo.
It is very alarming and we have to address it right away because you don't want naman po malagas yung hair nyo.
Correct.
And at the same time, pwede din siya mag-lead to contact dermatitis kasi if you scratch it, yung mga ganun po.
Ako, maghapon kasi nagwo-work. So, umaga pa lang maliligo ka na.
Apo.
Tapos, syempre, maghapon ka. Ang pansin ko, kung gaano ka-oily ang face ko, ganun ka-oily ang aking scalp. Ganyan. So, si Ate Josie na aming hairstylist, Papa, nag-oil na agad yung hair mo. Oo.
Alam niyo, pinag-aralan ko rin po siya now.
Oo.
Just recently. So, parang, right now, what I'm advising to my client po is, since nga talagang, it's hard to control po yung oil. So, if you're familiar with dry shampoo, parang, ano po siya, kinukonsider ko siya as like your oil bladder. So, 3 times a day, you'll use dry shampoo just to control yung oil na napuproduce ng scalp natin.
Oh.
And at the same time, aside from the dry shampoo as your daily remedy sa hair care, I also encourage everyone to use heat protectant. So, heat protectant is like your sunblock. Kasi,
Okay.
ang daming factors pa, like environmental factors, the texture, the status of your scalp and hair.
Uy, pero may aminin ako sa iyo at aminin ko
Naku,
rin
aminin
sa-
portion na po.
Hindi po ako nagsha-shampoo, puro conditioner ako.
Okay.
Oo.
Actually, it's not your fault because before, di ba,
Oo.
lagi tayong sinasabihan na don't shampoo your hair
Yes.
daily.
Yes.
Because, di ba, long time ago, hindi pa celebrated ang Asians.
Correct.
What we follow are all Western, mga hair care. But in reality, it depends po kasi yan eh. So, since here in the Philippines, it's humid. So,
Oo.
again, may environmental factors. So, you have to wash daily. And, you can mix also your shampoos because, di ba, different status ka po. Your scalp is like your
Correct.
skin. So, let's say today you want to address your dandruff,
Oo.
you can use clarifying shampoo.
Oh.
Since your colored hair naman, you don't want naman to fade your color agad.
Yes, dapat
So,
sulfate-free yata.
sulfate-free and
Yun.
purple shampoo.
Correct.
Yan.
Uy, lalo ngayon kasi, Mark, kasi 'di ba ano ngayon, Christmas season,
Yes.
pila, blockbuster ang mga salon ngayon. Kung ano na yung maisipan na ito gawin mo, ito gawin mo. Minsan, amin naman natin na ay wala nang supply sa salon. Kung ano na lang, matuloy lang, magkaroon lang ng kliyente. Dapat pala, bago mag-Christmas season, na-feature natin si Mark para yung papunta pa lang ng salon
Is,
ngayon.
po, na we're about to
Alam
enter
na.
2026, so it's a good time also to start new routine.
Correct.
Saka ano po siya, nakaka-boost din siya ng confidence.
Totoo
if
naman.
you know that you're wearing not just beautiful but healthy hair.
Correct.
Kilala mo na ba si Acom? Acom offers a cash loan up to 100,000 pesos, mababa pa ang interest,
4.988% lang monthly.
higit sa lahat, diminishing. Kaya basta cash loan, Acom bahala sa'yo. Your trusted cash loan partner.
At naku, si Mark with a K ay ang dami niyang mga celebrities na inaayusan. Kaya tingnan nga natin, Mark, habang nagchichikahan tayo, ano bang transformation ng pwede sa ganyang oily hair at receding hair na konti na lang? Anong pwede mong gawin sa akin ng mabilisan? Gaya ng ginawa mo kina ang mga celebrity, gaya ni na.
Of course, we have si Barbie Fortesa. She's
Barbie
my first
Fortesa.
celebrity and it helped me to talagang explore pa the other celebrities. Right now,
Correct.
si Pia Pablo, she's inside the PBB, so supportahan din po natin siya.
Ayun,
So what we
diba?
can do po, ako, lagi kong sinecheck po kasi ang hair, yung styling, it depends on your the shape
Shape
of
ng
your
face, yun.
So how will we do
Tandaan
that
niyo
po,
yun.
no?
Oo.
So it's very easy. All you have to do is just to face the mirror.
Correct. Ayan,
and
kunwari.
then pull back your hair. Lahat po.
Yes. Oo.
Okay. So don't be conscious about your forehead. It's
Oo.
okay. The reason why you have to know po yung face shape nyo
Correct.
is for us to enhance and improve, and yung kung ano yung prominent
Correct.
will balance it po.
Ay, proud ako sa malapad kong noo. Pamilya namin yan na malalapad ang noo. Pamana ni nanay
Matatalino
at
daw po yung
tatay.
malalapad ang noo, di ba?
Amen.
So, ayan.
Okay,
you just
go.
have to, ayan.
Yes.
Pero parang ano na po yung ano nyo, no? The face shape. Kasi you also have the jaw, no? Mas parang prominent din po siya.
Ha! Can't laugh. Medyo ako, ha?
And right now,
Asset
usong-uso
yan.
po yan, ha? Kasi because everyone doing like different
Yung iba
treatments.
pinapa-opera pa, magkaroon lang ng jaw.
May kilala po ako niyan, pero wag na lang po
Oo, wala na. O,
That's
can't
all.
laugh ulit. May kilala daw. Ganon.
So, ako, what can I suggest is,
Yeah.
I like your, your haircut, no?
Thank you.
But if I will style this one, well, add a bit of layers.
Tama.
So that it will soften po this area.
Correct.
And then, since you said that you explore a lot of hairstyles,
Yes.
especially abroad, so, pwede din po kayo mag-add ng mga curtain bangs, fringe, kasi you can play around with that, and it gives a lot of change po dun sa look.
Ang concern ko talaga, matakpan ng sumpa. Can't
Yes.
laugh. Ito yung sumpa kasi, yan. Kahit paano. Pag gumanda ko, can't laugh.
Alam mo,
Ayun,
in this
ganun.
area po
Oo,
pala, you
oo.
are also heart shape.
Oh, ay, heart! Heart shape!
Medyo
Medyo,
yan.
Mm.
It's, ayan, if you just follow the hairline kasi. So,
Oo.
seeing the hairline,
Oo.
you see, di ba, pag ganyan siya? So,
Yes.
it's heart. Kaya po, napakaganda niya po.
Oh, so hindi na ako magaganyan, iharap ko na lang yung mukha kong gano'n, heart na. Pag ganyan. Oh,
Exactly.
yes.
Ayan.
Oh, yan.
So, what you can do, this is also trend in 2026, the deep parting partition.
Ayan, 2026 ha, eto na, may pa-advance tayo. Ito yung mga mauusong hairstyle sa 20... Uy, pag naka-side view ka, kamukha si Ayon Perez. May Ayon Perez, ano siya, no?
Gusto nyo nakatingin lang po ako ganun.
Yan, ganyan. Hindi, ayun. O sige, go. So, ito na yung pang 2026. Dapat daw, ano yung sabi mo? May
Deep part po.
deep part.
Ayan.
Yun,
So,
okay.
yun yung parang, di ba, it was uso naman before, but right
Oo.
now, since that 2026 is more on embracing who you are,
Correct.
authenticity,
Yes.
so, you can just wear your natural texture.
Oo.
So, ito po, like, first, actually, tama po yung ginagawa nyo. You're,
Yes.
ahead of the trend.
Yes.
Kasi yung partition po, nyo,
Ahead of the trend, ha? Ahead of...
it's already there, eh.
Oh.
So, pwede nyo po siyang...
Left and right, di ba? Pwede sa
Yes.
left, pwede sa right.
And that's
Okay.
important that you switch your partition because
Tama.
the more that it's exposed, the more na prone sa dirt, sa sun, and
Oo.
hair loss. So,
Ayan.
ayan po. Ako, what I will do here lang, I like the partition, so I'll keep it that way.
Yes.
And alam niyo, ang galing.
Oh.
Even your haircut is also trend siya. I don't need the model na pala because, ayan, all-in-one na po
Yes.
sa inyo.
Thank
so,
you.
ito yung mix of naka-razor yung ilalim. And at
Correct.
the same time, there's a length.
Parang sabi, undercut daw. So, razor ang
They call
tawag
it now
dun.
as by-bust.
By bus
Kasi-
operation. Pelikula ni Ann Curtis. Saka direct Eric Mati.
Diba?
May pa-by bus tayo.
Pag ano po yan, globally, ano yan.
At
diba?
least dyan man lang magka-bust ako. Di ba? Ay, chira.
So,
and
ayan,
love.
so there's, naka-bust yung ilalim,
Yes.
and then you have the length. Kasi
Ayun.
why? Right now, we want to have like 2-in-1 haircut, something we can play around. So ako, I'll leave it like this. I'll show the
Yeah.
bust part, and then I'll add some,
Mock up ng konti. Tanggal. Ay, hindi, ganyan. O sige, go.
I'll add
Tanggal.
some volume in this area. This is
Parang
your
masakit,
crown.
no? Lagyan ng volume. Parang, manipis kasi. Oo,
Lagyan ng
ganun.
volume kasi
Ayan.
it has to be heard.
Correct. Oo, tama naman.
Ayan po. So,
Ay, ganda yan. Oh.
okay, so we'll just add. So if we tease our hair po, you start from the half of the hairline, the strands. And you have to do it slowly kasi di ba there was a time na talagang
Correct.
gigil-gigil po tayo.
Oo, tapos sine-hairspray pa, panahon nila Tina Paner at Manilyn Reynes. Ay, panahon natin yan. Yung may pag ganon, di ba? Tsaka si Rufa Gutierrez na ganyan
Ayan.
din.
So you have to
Yan.
tease lang konti.
Pwede gawin nila yan sa bahay. Kunwari, hindi makapunta ng salon, pwede nilang gawin.
Pero better po talaga if you go to a salon because
Oo.
what if like your hair is breakage na pala and then you
Tama.
want to tease, di ba? So,
Oo.
I don't...
Tiis-tiis na lang,
Ti-
kakatiis. Tiis-tiis, kakatiis. Oo.
Ayan. So there. So,
Ayan.
since prominent nga po yung inyong hairline now,
Yes.
but we are proud of that.
Yes.
And also, I'll add here some volume and texture.
Ayun. Oo.
Actually, your hands is very powerful because it has heat eh.
Oo.
So, pwede ka
Tama.
mag-play
Kasi di ba
around
nga,
it.
pag naggaganyan mo yung static, di ba, yung hair mo,
Opo.
pag kiniskis-kis mo ng kamay mo, very powerful, nagkakastatic,
And
tataas
even like, for
yan.
example, if you're wearing curls and feeling mo na naglo-loose na siya,
Oo.
isa-scrunch mo na ng ganyan, it creates texture na rin.
Ay, kaya pala yung iba, ginaganyan-ganyan,
Opo.
yung ginaganong-ganon.
So, ayan, now, since we already created
Yes.
an illusion of volume, so, syempre, may frame na natin. Ano ba
Correct.
yung we want to hide, diba? So,
Tama.
we want to improve this part.
Oo. Naku, baka sa Pasko para pareho itsura namin. Ginaya ko lahat ng makakasalubong ko sa mall. Ganito na itsura.
Ano
Diba?
po kaya trendsetter?
I have score. Of
Diba?
score! Diba? Yan. Ganda.
So, if you want to add some drama, ayan, diba? So,
Oh, may drama ang buhok ko. May bypass na, may drama pa. Action-action.
actually, you can just grab your favorite wax or
Kahit ano
pomade,
naman.
kahit ano.
Oo.
Because we want to be low maintenance din naman and accessible to everyone.
Oo. Ay, maganda.
Actually, it's just your creativity talaga. Ako,
Correct.
I always believe po na just simple wax or ano, it can
Correct.
elevate the look. So, through, ito pong look na to, ayan. So, scratch natin. So, mukha na siya naka-sea salt.
Sea salt! Ang daming lumalabas ng mga terms dito. Mula dun lang sa hair scanner, ha? Meron pang sea salt ngayon.
So,
Pati
makita
ang
niyo po
buhok.
yung difference siya, nagkakaroon
Ay.
siya ng texture.
Ay, di ba? Mukhang magkakaroon ako ng endorsement nito. Pag ganyan na yung, pag nagpa-pictorial na, dapat si Mark with a K ang aking puntahan.
I love it, but the way you say the
Oo.
K.
Of course. O yan. Ay, ang ganda. So, eto na.
Bagay
Bukod
nga
dito
po.
sa mga ginagawa mo, ano naman yung sinabi mong kwentong gupit, libreng gupit, sa talino ng pagkakasabi mo mga terminologies, eh? Ano naman yung advocacy?
I believe po kasi that you cannot succeed alone. So, di ba parang, I feel like that you have to create an, like, attraction with your community.
Yes.
So, during pandemic po, we started the Kwentong Gupit.
Okay.
And for me, I promote it in a way that it's not for charity, but it's building community, getting to know people, what they need. Kasi our hair po, it's a story of your life. Eh. That's how I see it. That yung buhok mo talaga representation.
Crowning glory, di ba?
Correct.
Yun nga yun.
Saka it feels good nga po. Pag if your hair is good, parang nakaka-good vibes talaga siya.
Totoo.
So it all started during pandemic na I feel like kailangan, even, of course, there's a risk that time. But we initiated that to give also joy to our, we called it that time, there are yung mga, parang volunteers natin.
Correct.
Mga doctors,
Totoo.
mga bombero.
Mga frontliners.
Yes, ayun, that's the word that, frontliners.
Oo.
Ay, pang front page po kayo.
Yes, front page, headliner. Headliner kung may frontliner, di
So,
ba?
yun po siya. It all started there. And it became a habit po sa amin na we look for a location, ganyan. It can be a hensya also, like
Correct.
programs na pwede namin itap to do the kwentong gupit.
Totoo naman. Ano naman yung binuo mo na skinification movement? Iba pa ba yan? Ano naman yung skin? Ang dami niyang terminolohiya, ha, na
Diba?
natututunan.
Mark
Oh.
Dictionary.
Yan, oo.
Ano po siya, skinification because, po, in 2017, I started my advocacy in terms
Okay.
of the scalp care. And I keep on studying about it. Medyo may obsession pa ako with scalp care din talaga. And then last year, 2024, before the same December, I started po doing the skinification. So skinification, medyo it sounds woo, di ba? But what is that? Simple as what we want to achieve is to have glass hair. And paano ba natin na-achieve yung glass hair? Or, di ba, I'm sure...
May glass skin, may
Yes,
glass
opo.
hair din. Naku, baka mabasag naman yung buhok ko. Mabasag, no? Ano naman yung glass hair?
It's actually the same, medyo similar siya with the glass skin. Because diba
Oo.
glass skin boosts what? Niacinamide, glycerin.
Oo.
So we have to look for a product sa hair
Oo.
that it has that kind of ingredients.
Correct.
Kasi it boosts moisture, it boosts yung parang nourish talaga yung hair natin. So, yun po yung pinaka konsepto ng skinification is to take care of your scalp the way that you take care of your skin.
Very nice. Dahil dyan, magbigay ka naman ngayon ng mga tips how to take care of your hair, yung mga nasa bahay pa lang. Kasi di ba, totoo ba na dapat pag bagong paligo, wag itatali yung buhok, ganon. Tsaka yung mga pwedeng gawing home remedies sa bahay, yung, hindi pa ako makatakbo sa salon, maya na lang, pupunta ako sa salon. Pero ano yung pwede niyang hair, alam mo, nagkaroon ng volume talaga yung hair ko, ha? Parang minagic, di ba? Oo. So, ano yung mga hair
Alam niyo
remedies?
po,
Kaya nung ginawa mo sa akin.
As much as I want to give you like specific hair remedies, but I always believe po kasi with the factual, with the facts.
Oo.
Because hair po natin yan, it's our crowning
Correct.
glory and we don't want naman talaga masira, di ba?
Correct, oo.
Before you do anything else, whether if it's a home remedy or
Oo.
styling, what you need to have to know is your status, di ba?
Oo.
So you have to stop guessing muna and start to know your hair status. So
Oo.
you have to visit me and
Oo.
let's check muna your hair status.
Kung
And
ano
from
pwede.
there, I can customize a hair care routine for you. So it can be DIY also,
Correct.
like yung mga, di ba, vinegar kasi is also good for deep cleansing.
Okay.
It helps to remove the dirt and balance the pH level. But I don't want you to do it alone.
Correct.
So tutulungan kita by you visiting me and let's create a program for you to wear your beautiful hair.
Correct. Ito, mabilis ang question lang. Ano
Apo.
opinion mo na lang ito, opinion mo. Kasi maraming tanong to ng mga mamshis at popshis na nanonood sa atin ngayon. So, mali ba na pagka ligo mo, itatali mo yung hair mo?
Well, it's wrong because of course once our hair is wet, it's
Oo.
more fragile. It's more
Correct.
vulnerable. So it's easy for yun nga mabutol yung buhok natin,
Correct.
hair fall tayo, especially for those who hindi pa alam yung status ng scalp nila.
Correct.
Medyo it's delikado siya. So the first thing that you have to do muna is to know your status. And in terms of you tying your hair naman ng basa, you let it, kahit air dry lang, it's better na ini-air dry siya.
Ayun, isa pa last na. Masama daw matulog ng basa ang buhok.
Well, for me, it's very hygiene po kasi yun no? So, as simple as that. You don't want naman your pillow and your ng basa, di ba? So, air dry lang. If you have time, you can use blower din naman.
Correct.
Kasi ang pag-blower po, meron po siyang
Cold and hot,
Yes.
'di ba? Okay.
and at the same time, the reason why we have to blower sometimes is we have to get rid of the excess water that sometimes boosts yung nagiging build up pa po yun So,
Correct.
yun po yung mga essence ng blower natin. It's not just always about styling then.
Correct. Naku, nakaka-excite kung paano nag-transform na kamay lang ang ginamit from hair scanning. More chika pa, more terms na matututunan natin kay Mark. Alam nyo, may ibig sabihin daw yung Mark, M-A-R-K. Malalaman natin yan sa
Wow.
pagbabalik ng Alam Ko Na. Alam nyo na, alam na rin.
Alam na this!
Alam nyo na, basta A-list sa showbiz, alam na this! Naku, shoutout muna sa mga tutok na tutok. Nag-enjoy daw sa ating chikahan at pagkukwentuhan ang celebrity psychologist naman na si John Cadiz Carandang. Thank you po. At ang daming mga nagme-message dito worldwide. Naku, kailangan nyo pumunta sa Pilipinas para po ma-experience nyo ang Mark with a K. Award-winning po ito kasi binigyan po siya ng special citation po na binigay, hindi basta-basta sa lahat binibigay yan ha. Siya lang naman po ang pinagkalooban dahil nga sa kanyang Mark My Word tsaka yung kanyang mga ginagawang mga kabutihan, ang Mega Beauty Award. Di ba naman? Nagpapatuloy po kasama pa rin Mark Anthony Rosales. Ayun, Mark, nakakatuwa yung ginawa mong transformation, no? Ang daming natuwa dito, di ba? Yun. Sino pa ba yung mga artista mo? Nakita kong picture si Lovie po.
Yes, so po actually,
Oo.
si Lovie, I'm doing also Barbie. Yung latest cut niya, so we did that po for
Correct.
the new show. And also si Fia.
Ayun. Sofia Pablo na nasa ano nga
Nasa
ngayon.
PBB po siya today.
Nasa PBB, 'di ba naman? Kunwari pag pumunta doon sa salon mo, lagi ka ba na doon kasi 'di ba minsan by appointment, 'di ba ganun? Baka naman dahil pahirapan pumunta sa iyo.
Well, but it's better po if you have an appointment. But ano naman kami, we're very friendly for everyone. So you can
Oo.
also walk in. But if you want to, specifically me, take care of you po, it has to be an appointment po.
Ang mga taga-panood natin, taga-subaybay, natakot. Baka naman mahal
Ay,
kasi
nako.
may pa-scanning, hair scanning ka pa.
Actually, ano po yan, it's free, the scanning is free, so
Okay.
regardless of your service. And our price range po, it's very mastige. Kasi yun po talaga yung binivision ko that every Filipino to wear a beautiful and healthy hair.
Oo.
So, kaya naman po, kayang-kaya siya.
Correct. Ayun. At kayang-kaya ka rin nilang bisitahin.
Opo.
So, thank you very much. Please promote your Mark with a K salon, saan matatagpuan. At baka meron kang social media page. At syempre yung podcast mo, i-promote mo rin. Here's your camera.
Yeah, so if you want to know more about your hair, which is very important, feel free to follow our Instagram. That is Mark Salon with a K. We are located at 71B Scout Romeo, Quezon City, here at Quezon City. And if you're a new creative, inspiring creative, and you want to innovate, I also have a group called the Innovation Room. So please follow that. And please subscribe to my podcast. My podcast called Mark My Word. It's a podcast that is for our fellow creatives, encouraging them to create their own brand out of their craft. And also me, that's Mark Anthony Rosales. That is my Instagram account. So, yun po. Maraming salamat.
Ayun! Thank you very much, Mark Anthony Rosales, celebrity hairstylist, podcast host, at hairpreneur. Gusto ko yung transformation, ha? Parang ayaw ko nang magtali-tali. Mukhang ganito muna ako during the holidays. Pero watch out for my transformation dahil hindi pa kami tapos ni Mark. Bukas, sa birthday celebration ni Mama Jaiho, makikita ang transformation ni Papa Aawaw Paz sa kamay ni Mark with a K. Mark Ed Salon. Marked Salon.
Yes,
Makikita nyo may ED apostrophe yun. Thank you very much.
Maraming
ulit kayo.
salamat din po. Thank you very much for
God
having me.
bless.
Salamat
Ang
po.
dami.
God bless din po.
Yes, first.